So let's look at simple interest. The formula would be I equals PRT. I stands for, obviously, the interest. P stands for the principal. So that would be the principal amount that I borrow or I put into a savings account. R would be the rate. And so that would be my percentage rate. And of course, I am going to put the percent as a decimal. And T stands for time, and that would be in the units of years. And all I'm going to do with that information is just multiply those together, and then I will have the amount of interest. So for example, if I, let's say, borrow $1,000, and I'm going to pay that back over 2 years, 7% interest. So I would take $1,000 times 7% as a decimal. And be careful about that conversion. Don't accidentally put 0.7 because that would represent 70%, not 7. And then multiply by 2 years. And you would get $140. Let's say I put $2,000 into a savings account, earns 8% interest over 5 years. I would just multiply all of those together, and I get $800. Now, if the question asked for the total, so both of these problems, I just found the interest. But if it asks for the total, let's say for the second one, how much total is in the bank account? Well, I would take my original principal, the amount that I put in, plus the interest earned to get a total of $2,800 would be in the bank account at the end of those 5 years. For the third one, as I said, my units for time are in years. So this particular question gives me months. So I'm still going to multiply, but what I'll need to do for the months is put it over 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So I can put it as a decimal or I can put it as a fraction. And then I would still multiply. And I would get $33.75, and that is the amount of interest.